Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. We have developed a new app, which is a gaming earning app. You can also earn online by making such app. This app has many features, as you can see in the video also. Along with me, we have also shown the admin panel. You can control the entire app from the phone or desktop from the admin panel. It integrates AdMob, Facebook Unity Startup, and many other ads networks too. That it will boost your earning. If you also want to make such an app, then you can contact on the number given on the screen, or you can buy the source code of this app by going to the description box.